All right, tough girls, tough guy. Back with you. I bought another scent here from the Dollar Tree. I said, why not? Let's give it another test try, another blind buy here. This one is a unisex one based on what I saw in the description. Sage Marine. Le Mercier Sage Marine Eau de Parfum. Fresh, invigorating like a coastal breeze. Experience earthy sage and a hint of sea. Salt for a fragrance that captures essence of a natural, simple sophistication. All right, let's not wait any longer. I was impressed with the last one, so I'm like, you know what? Let's do another one. For $5, shoot, can't beat it, right? And I did like the other one, so let's see what this one's got to show off here. Shake it up a little. Yeah, I definitely get the salt, sea, ocean, definitely. Smells pretty nice, actually. I do smell some musky wood. All right, not bad at all. Let's see what the notes actually say and be able to compare here. Top notes, sea salt, crisp ocean breeze. Definitely get that. Green sage leaves. All right, that makes sense. And then the vibe, spa, light, clean, and invigorating. I'll have to wear it, come back, and put a final review on it. But if I had to recommend it, I would. I'd say about an 8 also. It smells good. I can't say that it's like a beast mode or anything like that because I haven't worn it long enough, but I'll have to come back and review on that. Let me know if, send me a message, see if you want to hear more or see more of this, and I'll let you know. I can also see if it macerates within a month and try it again.
I blew the dust off the pen and the pad. If I get back at it, some of y'all will get mad. Some of y'all will say, oh, where you been at? Then a few of you will say, we need them back.